Let's talk about the computer vision branch of the AI tree. Today, we use computer vision on the road in self-driving cars to detect cars. We use it in medical imaging and scanning to detect cancer. In surveillance, we use it to detect images and photos and connect them to people in your iPhone or in your mobile phone. Today, you can use it to group your photos taken previously. And in agriculture, we use it for determining how good or bad the crops are or the plants are. These are just some of the use cases of computer vision today. How about AEC? In AEC, and generally speaking, anywhere you want to extract information from images or videos taken from the current side or from the previous side, we can use computer vision techniques. For example, you can use it for safety inspection on sites, quality control. You can use it for monitoring equipment and workers. You can use it for measuring the progress on site, or even you can use it to extract information from the designs you have done in the past projects. In addition to all of these, you can use it to create a 3D model and as-built from the photos or scans taken from the site. Computer vision techniques today are being used in three different ways. One is for image classification, which help us classify what contained in an image. For instance, on the left side, you see these are images of dogs. On the right side, these are the images of cats. So these algorithms take in an image and say this belongs to this class on the left or this class on the right. Object detection techniques specify the location of multiple objects in an image. For instance, given this image that we have, it can tell you that this is a plant, this is a dog, and this is another plant. And finally, image segmentation or instance segmentation will create a pixel-wise mask for each object. So in a way, it creates this mask and this mask around the object, and you might be asking yourself, what is it used for? In a way, we want to identify the shape of different objects in the image using the image segmentation. So this is how we can identify the shapes. How about the use case of this in construction? Let's take a crack as an example. With image classification, you can identify whether an image has a crack on it or not. Imagine that you go to the construction site to inspect an old bridge and you want to identify whether there is a crack or not in photos that you take. So you can use image classification techniques there. Or you can use object detection to identify the location of the crack. So for those images that there is a crack in it, you can identify where the location of the crack is. And finally, with instance segmentation, you can identify the shape of the crack. So given this crack on the left side, this is the shape of the crack. And this way you can identify over time how does this crack changes, and you can determine when might be a right time to start the repair. And this is how you can use computer vision techniques in construction.